Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a question that's been popping up in the comments a lot lately. Rolex Datejust 41, mint dial or blue dial? It's a tough choice, and I know many of you are contemplating this decision. Well, you're in the right place because today we're diving deep into this debate, and I've got some exclusive insights to help you make the right choice. But before we jump into it, if you're into luxury watches and want to stay in the know, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You don't want to miss the latest updates on Rolex and other high-end timepieces. It's always an exciting day when we get to talk about Rolex, and today is no exception. I've been reading your comments, and it seems like there's a burning question on everyone's minds lately. Which Rolex Datejust 41 is the real showstopper, the mint dial or the blue dial? I get it. This is a dilemma that can keep you up at night. But fear not, my fellow watch enthusiasts, because in the next few minutes, we're going to break it all down. All right, let's delve deeper into the world of the mint dial Rolex Datejust 41. This dial option is like the hidden gem in the Rolex lineup, and there's so much more to it than meets the eye. First and foremost, what sets the mint dial apart is its rarity. It's not a dial color you encounter every day, even in the world of luxury watches. This exclusivity immediately makes it a conversation starter and something truly special for collectors. Let's talk about aesthetics. The mint dial boasts a color that's fresh, crisp, and simply stunning. It's not too flashy, yet it manages to stand out effortlessly. This unique shade of greenish blue has a timeless appeal that doesn't follow trends. Instead, it sets them. Besides its collectible nature, the mint dial is incredibly versatile. It's not confined to a specific dress code or occasion. Whether you're dressing up for a formal event or going casual for a weekend getaway, the mint dial complements your style seamlessly. The subtle elegance of the mint dial allows it to blend effortlessly with various outfits. It's a dial color that doesn't demand attention but effortlessly earns it. For those who appreciate understated luxury, the mint dial is an ideal choice. It's important to note that the value of any watch, including Rolex, can be influenced by various factors, including its condition, rarity, demand, and market trends. The mint dial Datejust 41 is a unique piece, but its investment potential is not guaranteed. If you're considering it as an investment, it's essential to keep the watch in excellent condition and retain all its original documents and packaging, as these factors can affect its value positively. While we can't predict precisely how much you can make from a mint dial Rolex Datejust 41, it's safe to say that it has the potential to be a valuable asset over time. However, it's always recommended to consult with a professional watch appraiser or investment advisor for personalized guidance on your specific timepiece and investment goals. Now let's dive deeper into the allure of the blue dial Rolex Datejust 41. This rich, deep blue hue is undeniably captivating. And it's not just about the color, it's about what this choice represents. What sets the blue dial apart is its versatility. It's a watch that seamlessly transitions between settings. Whether you're attending a formal event, working in a professional environment, or enjoying a leisurely weekend getaway, the blue dial fits the bill. It's the kind of watch that adapts to your lifestyle rather than dictating it. Moreover, blue dials from Rolex have a remarkable track record when it comes to retaining and even appreciating in value over time. Collectors and enthusiasts often seek out these watches not just for their beauty, but for their potential as investments. They're seen as reliable assets in the world of luxury timepieces. If you appreciate the idea of owning a watch that's instantly recognizable as a Rolex, the blue dial is an excellent choice. It carries with it the prestige of the Rolex brand and the legacy of craftsmanship that has made Rolex an industry leader for generations. Now, let's talk about making that decision between the mint dial and the blue dial. Both options have their merits. But if you're looking for our recommendation, we have a soft spot for the blue dial Rolex Datejust 41. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out my next video, where we'll dive into the updated price list for the Rolex GMT Master 2 in 2023. It's a must-watch for anyone considering adding this iconic GMT watch to their collection. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this video has helped you in your decision-making process. Remember, there's no wrong choice when it comes to Rolex. Only the one that feels right for you. Until next time, stay classy. Watch enthusiasts.